Really not a very good filmer. I don't have steady hands. And I yell too much.
Chris said your guys' sex tape turned out though.
It did. It's nice.
Shaky.
I really seem to study it out during that. It's
Good.
fine.
Come on. Work here.
That's some impressive multitasking.
Good. Step over and take the cross choke there. Ah. John Smith. Come on. He's heavy on it. You break there.
Heavy hands, Jeff. Come on.
Nice snap. Snap to the angle. Whoop. Nice.
End up on top.
Nice. Now bring your knee through and get your pass points there. Hey, fight for that underhook. Fight for that underhook on that backside. Tanner, that doesn't need to be an overhook. It needs to be an underhook. Very nice, my friend. Hey, get your side. Do not get bench pressed. Good. Pop knee, pop knee.
Go back to mount.
Hey, use that shoulder pressure to keep them in line. Good. Keep working that foot up. There's your mount points coming up, and we got them.
Got
Now
him.
set it up. Beautiful.